If you're having any issues installing the SetupVPN app and need to do it manually, there are a few steps, but don't worry, it's all very simple. First, just come to SetupVPN.com, click Download, and come to the Edge Alternative Download link. We'll grab the latest version here. Then we'll come to that file in our default downloads folder and add the zip file extension to it. Extract it to its own folder. Then open it up and delete this metadata folder. Then, back in the Edge browser, we'll come to Edge Extensions, enable Developer Mode, then click on this Load Unpacked button that appears. Browse for that folder we just downloaded and extracted, and you're good to go. The SetupVPN extension should now be up and running in your browser.